with all the deputies and principals.
Balloon, we shall have
as we wind up, as we continue to recognize our
You are aware that in the last few weeks, months, we've had serious unrest in some of our schools, and we are working towards finding out what is the genesis of that problem. The involvement of parents alone may not be the cause. It is a multiplicity of issues that as a country, we are working towards finding a lasting solution. Let us all work together because our children, as the chair said, are our heirs. So let us work together to ensure that we are supporting our children as much